In this video, I want to talk about how you can pay YouTube TV. So obviously, if you never used it before, what you can do is simply head over to tv.youtube.com, click on this button here to try it, and then you can pay it from in there. But if you already made an account and you want to check for your payments and all your payment history information, what you can do is sign in and just go to your Google account. Once you've signed in, then you want to click on your profile. So go to the tv.youtube.com, sign in with your Google account, click on your icon and go to settings. Inside of there will be a billing one, and you can see which credit card or debit card that you've connected and all that stuff. So that is the way that you can do this, guys. Now it's really easy, so you should easily be able to figure it out. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.